The azaleas blooming in spring not only capture the eye with their stunning beauty, but also hold many hidden secrets regarding their growth habits and reproductive strategies. Let's delve into the world of azaleas and uncover the mysteries of their growth and reproduction. Azaleas, also known as azaleas or mountain pomegranates, are evergreen or deciduous shrubs. They boast a wide variety of species and vibrant colors, carrying a rich tapestry of cultural legends and stories. Every spring, azaleas burst into bloom, each cluster of 2 to 6 funnel-shaped corollas in vibrant shades of red, pale pink, apricot red, snow blue, and white, creating a lush and vibrant spectacle. They grow in mountain thickets or beneath pine forests at altitudes between 500 and 1.200 meters. They are a typical indicator plant for acidic soils in south-central and southwestern China. This evergreen or deciduous shrub attracts attention with its distinctive form and vibrant colors. It can reach heights of 2 to 5 meters, with numerous, slender branches covered with flat, bright brown, strigose hairs. The leaves are tough and mostly grow at the tips of the branches. They vary in shape, ranging from ovate to elliptical ovate, ranging from 1.5 to 5 centimeters in length and 0.5 to 3 centimeters in width. The leaf margins are slightly recurved and finely serrated, dark green on the upper surface, and pale white on the lower surface, densely covered with brown strigose hairs. The midrib is concave on the upper surface, and prominently convex on the lower surface. The petiole is 2 to 6 millimeters long, and also covered with flat, bright brown, strigose hairs. The flower buds of azaleas are ovoid, with the outer surface of the scales surrounded by strigose hairs from the middle upwards, and the margins are lined with eyelashes. Each cluster of flowers consists of 2 to 3, sometimes up to 6, funnel-shaped corollas, with pedicels 8 millimeters long, also densely covered with bright brown strigose hairs. The calyx is deeply divided into 5 triangular, long ovate lobes, 5 millimeters long, covered with strigose hairs and lined with eyelashes. The corolla is richly colored, ranging from rose, bright red, or dark red, measuring 3.5 to 4 centimeters long and 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide. It has 5 obovate lobes, 2.5 to 3 centimeters long, with the upper lobe speckled with deep red. There are 10 stamens, each about the same length as the corolla. The filaments are linear and covered with fine pubescence below the middle. The ovary is ovoid, 10-loculed, and also densely covered with bright brown strigose hairs. The style extends beyond the corolla and is smooth and glabrous. The capsule is also ovoid, up to 1 centimeter long, and also densely strigose. The calyx remains persistent during fruiting. Flowering of rhododendrons occurs primarily from April to May, while fruiting continues from June to August. Rhododendrons grow in mountainous areas at altitudes of 500 to 1.200 meters, sometimes as high as 2.500 meters, beneath sparse shrubland or pine forests. They prefer acidic soils and do not thrive in calcareous soils, or may even fail to survive. Therefore, soil scientists often consider azaleas to be an indicator plant for acidic soils. They prefer a cool, moist, semi-shady environment, and both high and low temperatures can affect their growth. When summer temperatures exceed 35 degrees Celsius, the growth of new shoots and leaves slows, leading to a semi-dormant state. Therefore, sun protection and shade are necessary in summer, and winter insulation is essential. Azaleas should not be exposed to intense sunlight for long periods of time. They thrive in diffuse light with moderate intensity. Excessive light can burn young leaves, scorch the edges of new and older leaves, and even lead to plant death in severe cases. In winter, outdoor azalea cultivation requires special cold protection measures to ensure its safe wintering. Of particular note, among ornamental azaleas, the western azalea has the weakest cold tolerance and is susceptible to frost damage. When temperatures drop below 0 degrees Celsius, azaleas can be propagated in a variety of ways, including cuttings, grafting, layering, division, and sowing. Cuttings are widely popular due to their ease and high survival rate, making them the primary method for propagating azaleas. Choosing the right time and cuttings for cuttings is the preferred method for azalea propagation. Maintaining a moist substrate and adequate shade are key. Cutting times vary among azalea species, but are generally taken around June. Cuttings should be taken from current year, newly lignified branches with a sufficient number of leaves. Layering allows seedlings to grow quickly, ring barking the mother plant and wrapping it in plastic film is an effective method for rapid seedling production. To achieve this, select strong branches from the mother plant, ring bark them, and then tightly wrap them in plastic film, filling the bag with moist soil and moss. During daily care, ensure the soil inside the bag remains moist. To promote wound healing and root growth. After approximately 3 to 4 months of cultivation, when the roots grow to 2 to 3 centimeters in length, they can be separated from the mother plant and transplanted to a new pot for continued growth. Grafting is relatively tedious and is generally only used for varieties that have difficulty surviving from cuttings. By selecting the right rootstock and scion and using the cleft grafting method, you can achieve a variety of combinations